Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. In this video, I have a huge case unboxing courtesy of Ringke. I want to thank them for hooking us up with a bunch of iPhone SE cases for the 2020 iPhone SE, as well as a carry bag, which I will be showing you guys at the end. But first, let's review these cases and show you guys what they look like on this iPhone SE 2020. Wait, hold up. That's an iPhone 8. But these cases will fit the iPhone 7, iPhone 8, or iPhone SE 2020. It does not matter because the dimensions of the phone are all the same in each of those. So we're going to go back and forth with a clear one and a dark one. So this one right here is the Ringke Fusion X, and this is a very good seller for Ringke. I think they sell a lot of these units because they're so versatile. But let's pop this one open. That's all we get inside. And here is the a little pamphlet you get. This is talking about the mirror. I don't think we have that on this. Yeah, here it is. Removing the outside film on this case, which is actually kind of a pain. Definitely not a huge fan of this, but they do it for pretty much all of their cases. So it keeps it all fresh and everything for you. So at least that's how you know you're getting a fresh new case. So I will rip that off. And there is the case itself. A completely clear back. Let me take a look. So this is completely clear. I cannot see any yellowing on this. As you guys can see there, this is a very clear case. So let's take the iPhone and plug it into here and see how it does. So pops right into place, fits perfectly, and wow, that is what it looks like. That looks really good. So the clear back is seriously one of my favorites for iPhone cases because not only does it allow you to show your phone, but it protects it as well. And I'm a big fan of showing off the design of iPhones because I think they look so dang good. So I'll give you guys a close-up here, especially around the camera. You guys can see just how precise that is. Ringke has had a lot of time to perfect their cases here, especially around the camera and cutouts. So this is absolutely perfect. On the side here, you got your cutout, you got your volume up, volume down. Everything feels great. These buttons, the button feel is right on par. Very minimal branding down here at the bottom. As you guys can see, it does say Ringke, and then your cutouts down here look perfect. Overall, this is a fantastic case. Should have some decent drop protection as well due to these corners, but I really like this case. All right, next up here, we have the Ringke Air. So this is the smoke black edition. So let's open this one up and see what we've got inside. Nothing else in the box. And here is just a little pamphlet. And here is the case. As you guys can see, it is more of a TPU bendy style. It's not the hard rigid one, so you can kind of squish this one a little bit. It is smoke black, so it should tint the phone a little bit on the back here. So let's take a look. Pop it on here like so. And there it is, fully installed. Now, the reason I like these cases is because they're so freaking thin, but they offer a decent amount of drop protection. As you guys can see around the corners here, the lip is raised on the corner because that is most often where you will drop your phone. So you've got that extra raisivity right there and down below. You guys can see it better. Just a fantastic design. On the bottom here, as you guys can see, everything is cut out and looking good. On the side, you've got a lanyard spot and power button. Let's see how it feels. Feels great. Volume up, volume down also feel fantastic. Cutout for your mute switch, of course. Camera cutout is looking real crispy, looking real good. Now, I'm not a fan of the color with the red iPhone. It just kind of mutes it and makes it look gray, but if you're into that, you can get it. This color is definitely for the black or space gray iPhone. I think that would look fantastic. Down here, you guys can see a tiny bit of branding. Not a whole lot. Overall, just a solid case. No complaints with this one at all. Besides the color, the grip and the feel in the hand is fantastic. So big thumbs up for this one. All right, guys, next up we have the Fusion in clear. So it's the same as that one, but this one is actually clear. So I think a lot of you guys are gonna like that one, maybe even this one, but we'll get to that at the end here. And here is this case here. Of course, it's got this little pamphlet and tells you to remove the extra film. So there's the back, and let's take off the front, or I should say that was the back. Let's take off the front now. All right, there we go. Finally got this thing all ready to go without all that plastic all over it. And here is the case itself. Almost no yellowing. I'm going to take it off camera here and inspect it. Yeah, this thing is about as crystal clear as they come. Almost no yellowing on this one at all. It is even under these harsh studio lights against a completely white background. And you guys can see it is almost completely clear. Big thumbs up to Ringke for that. So let's slip the phone in this one, see how it handles. Should be, yeah, it's exactly the same as the other one. But this one, as you guys can see, looks way better. Showing off the red iPhone and the front of the phone is not impeded by this case at all. Buttons are exactly the same as the other one. Tiny bit of branding around the camera right here, as well as on the side here. But everything on this case is almost identical to the last one I just reviewed. So very good feeling in the hand. The buttons are great. The color on this one is fantastic because you can see straight through it, see the perfect design of the iPhone 8 or iPhone SE, whatever you're getting. Yeah, this is just a classic Ringke case. So these are all incredibly affordable as well. Like seriously, check the prices on these. You will be astounded at how inexpensive these are for the quality you're getting. Highly recommend this case. It's funny, as I'm unboxing these, I remember actually buying Ringke cases back before I used to review them, and I was always pleased with what I got. The next up here, we have the Fusion X in Camo Black. Now this one looks pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie, this thing is going to either be really good or really bad. So let's take a look. Taking out all these boxes here. All right, so we've got more of this film to peel, so give me a second, guys. Wait a second. Did you guys see that? I just peeled that off. It's got another layer. Seriously? Is there really 2 of these? Oh my gosh. Please tell me there's not 3 layers of this. I think that might have been a mistake that they put 2 layers. But let's see. They're just trolling me here, guys. There we go. So I got that taken off. And I don't think there's none on the back. So they put 2 on the inside just to troll me. And there's none on the back, of course, because of this material, which is pretty cool. I think that's painted on. I'm not sure. Let's grab the iPhone, stick it in this case, and see how it does. So, whoa, that looks pretty sick. I cannot say I've seen another case with such a unique camo design for the iPhone. Now, it is subtle. It's not crazy in your face with, you know, green and browns everywhere, but that is something else. I really like how it gives it a 3D effect, the way they've painted it on there. This is actually pretty cool. Of course, it handles almost exactly the same as the other Fusion, this one here, because the design is the same. It's just the back right here is clear, and this one is camo. So if you're into this design and you want to go a little edgier, you guys can hop up to the camo version. Again, a little bit of branding, buttons feel great, got that razivity around the edges, and just an overall good feeling case. This back actually gives it a decent grip. I really do like that. Props to Ringke for making something pretty unique. So this is a go. All right, now before I get to the bag and show you guys that, I'm gonna open up this last one here. This is the Ringke Onyx in black, and this is one of their staples as well. They sell a lot of these. So let's go ahead and pop this one open. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's got this geometric pattern on the inside. It says Ringke Onyx in there. And on the back, it is not see-through. It is just a straight up black design with a bit of a texture. Don't know if you guys can hear that. A little bit of branding right there, and some carbon fiber accenting all the way around. Super premium looking. So let's put that phone inside and see how it does. So here is the iPhone SE or iPhone 8 or iPhone 7 inside of the Ringke Onyx in black. Now, this case handles a little slipperier than the others due to this texture. However, the design of this thing is really good. Not sure if you guys can see here, but there's some ridging on the side here. Button feel is great, just like all the others. Volume buttons are at a weird slant due to the case design. I don't know if you guys can notice this. The power button feels fine, but the volume buttons feel a little different. It's not hard to press, but they are a little bit different feeling. A spot for the lanyard right there. Camera cutout looks great, of course. And the volume buttons on the side, like I said, they feel weird, but they work just fine. Mute switch, of course, can't forget that one. Overall, this is a pretty nice case if you want to kind of fly under the radar. It has a little bit less razivity around the sides here, so you're going to want to put a screen protector on if you do have this case, but overall, very nice. If you want the Ringke Onyx, links down below. All right, so Ringke is always sending us these goodie bags full of cases when a new phone is out, and I want to thank them for always supporting us, even though we're a smaller channel right now. They sent out this two-way bag to carry different items in. I've never reviewed something like this from Ringke yet, so let's take a look at the box. As you guys can see right here, I guess that's what it looks like. I'm not sure if that means small or what. Yep, I guess it does based on this. So this is the small version. So let's take a look at it. Grab my little unboxing knife here, sliced it right open, and see what we've got. So here we go, two-way bag in small from Ringke. They also included a handwritten note to us, which I think is cool, so shout out to Ringke. And here is the bag itself, and it's in a little bag here, a bag inside of a bag. And let's move this box out of the way here. Here is the bag itself. So two-way bag, Ringke bag. We've got these little pamphlets here. These are actually pretty high quality tags, which is interesting. So let's pull this off here. Here is the strap itself, and here is the bags on the inside here. Let's see what we've got. All right, so we've got a little bit of space in here. Silica packet gel for the trolls. And here is what the inside looks like. So you've got a pass-through, it looks like, for headphones. You've got your spot here for your keys, or headphones themselves can go right in this little pouch here. You could drop your phone in there, your wallet, whatever you want. and it will be staying put. Then you've got a zipper, of course, for protection, so that obviously you don't want any of this to fall out. I'm not gonna lie, getting that thing started over this crest right here was very difficult, but got that going. So now it is completely zipped up and ready to go. Minimal branding right here, just says Ringke. Very nice minimal design. This is probably targeted more towards the ladies, but if you are a man and you rock like a little merce or whatever you want to call it, the design is subtle enough and it's just flat black design, which I do like. Zippers here feel really premium. They're even branded, which is awesome. And this thing does have enough room to carry at least, 4 phones, your AirPods, your wallet, and maybe some cash. So I could see people using this, especially when they're going to like an amusement park, if anything ever opens up again, and all kinds of different, gatherings and stuff where you want to have all your stuff together, but you don't want to carry it around with you in your pockets. Maybe you're going to a picnic or something. This is something you're going to want to get. So huge shout out and thank you to Ringke for sending these out free for review. All of them are very solid cases. I've had every single one of these except for the Camo one before, and they all hold up great. So if you're looking for any of these, links down below. That's all I got for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.